barn, right?
The brown thing is the barn, yes.
Oh, there it is.
I have to inform people of that because I never saw it before. Maybe it's new. Maybe they were looking.
Not there.
Is it a box color or is it like now? Two of them are blue and one is beige. Oh, make sure
You got the wheels off. He took the wheels off. They took the wheels off. They're not trailers anymore.
Okay, there's 3 horses.
Right. Maybe it's 3.
And there's 5 in the front.
There we go.
And I may have seen that.
Wait, those aren't the horses. That's. Oh wait, maybe this. There's the horses. There's the horse trailer.
Yeah, right there by the truck.
Okay, now whose house is that up there?
Where?
Up there.
Oh, the big house?
Yeah.
That's the old farmhouse that the land is.
Oh.
Now owned by somebody else. By Dr. Soriano's divorced wife. Who is known by my friend Eddie, who also took him out.
That house is not part of it.
Okay, now I can see.
Wait, so which one's the driveway that I'll take? That one in the middle? The one with the, it's got fences up both sides of it.
Yeah, that's the driveway. And the gate's open. It was shut.
Oh, wait, there's the truck.
Yeah, there's the truck.
Is the gate usually closed?
You know, but it has been in the past. It was, but
Oh, wait a minute.
there's a lot of stuff missing that was there. I mean, there used to be a horse-shaped sign up there and a no trespassing and all that stuff, but it's not there now. It was
So yes,
not evidence.
They want us to trespass then.
I'm not going up that driveway. Well, I have gone up that driveway, but that made me very itchy.
And tents?
However, if you promise not to linger,
Wait, how did these horses get around here? Do they loop around this house?
I don't know. Well, she puts them there.
Oh.
I mean, they're always there. I don't know. But they're always there.
But this rented field is not part of the 42 acres, right? It's in addition to the 42 acres. Okay. They're eating something. They fixed this.
I don't
Oh,
think
there's
it's
the
there.
gate. There it is.
Oh, didn't you fix it once?
Yes, I did. And it's-
Old dogs, young dogs, it's something else that like, I don't think it was.
Oh, there's the tractor.
Where?
Right there in front of me.
There's some
Is that
more
the
horses.
Kubota?
And I don't think it turns out good.
Oh. That's a Kubota.
You have to back in. Oh, hey, there's a pond. Is that our pond? I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, there's three. We didn't, and three more we didn't see before.
Hmm.
But I don't see the. I missed my head. I think you're gonna leave now, Doug.
Oh, okay. Put it in reverse.
Put it back.
Shift, mother.
What?
Shift.
Oh, shift.
Yeah.